There is a new feature in Gmail that will enable you to easily send marketing emails, newsletters, and announcements, without the need to send blind copies to all recipients. To turn on this feature, open the Compose window in Gmail and select the Toggle Multi-Send Mode option. You will notice some changes made to Compose window. The entire header is purple and each email will include the unsubscribe button at the end. The Continue button replaces the Send button. Multi-send mode enables you to send emails to up to 1,500 recipients. You can send emails to individual emails or contact lists. With multi-send mode, you can insert merge tags like the first name so that the email can be personalized for each recipient. To use merge tags, simply type @ and choose from the list. If you don't see the option to turn on multi-send mode, maybe it is not enabled in the Google Workspace Admin Console. To enable it, from the Admin Console, select Apps, Google Workspace, Gmail, and User Settings. Scroll down to the Multi-Send Mode section and make sure to check to allow multi-send mode and turn it on or off for external recipients if needed. Let's send a test email and see how it looks on the recipient side. When you are done composing, click Continue. You get the option to send a preview email to yourself or to send an email to all recipients right away. The recipient got a personalized email with the option to unsubscribe. Check out the video description to learn more about Gmail multi-send mode.